On today's video, Cryptohopper. I'll give you an update on one of my 3 strategies that I've been showing you on this channel, which is the MACD strategy. And also, I will show you a setup or a way to close your bot with higher profit. And this can be applied to any of my 3 strategies that I've been showing you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are in this crazy world. So yes, like I said, I'll be showing you an update on my current situation with the MACD strategy, with the small change that I did, and also I will show you a setup that you can do on your strategy. So for the selling part, to make it a little bit more profitable, and this setting you can use it on any of my 3 strategy that I've been showing you on this channel, which is the Bollinger Band, the EMA, and also the MACD strategy. So this strategy will make it a little bit more profitable. You'll be able to gain a little bit more profit. Might take a little bit longer to close, which is normal, but you'll be more profitable. And also I'll go quickly with what's currently going on in the market right now and why your bot is probably not making much money right now. So let's go over my computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't have a Cryptohopper account yet, I'll put a link in the description, and you can get a 7-day free trial to try Cryptohopper totally free. If this is your first video you're watching in Cryptohopper, go back to my channel and there will be a playlist that will show you all the Cryptohopper videos so you can learn and how you can set it up and configure it properly. Alright, so before we dive into the Cryptohopper setting, I just want to go very quickly with the market right now so you can better understand how or why your Cryptohopper is behaving the way it's currently behaving. So if we go to the market and we're currently looking, this is coinmarketcap.com. So this is the list of and the performance of all the coin in this crypto world. So if we look in this last 7 days, we have a lot of red. Even in the last 24, Bitcoin 6.4%, 11.1% for Ethereum. So as you can see, the market has been going down for the last actually 10 days, and I'll show you a little bit of details. So if you just started your Cryptohopper in the last week and you're wondering yourself why you're not getting any trade, well, this is the reason why. The market is not really good at all right now to make any profit, so that's why it's not working the way you think it should work. So this is for the CoinMarketCap. If we look here at the altcoin season, why I'm showing this is just because depending when you're watching this video, we might not be in the altcoin season anymore. So what it mean all the coin other than Bitcoin or Ethereum might not be performing as well. So right now we're still fine. We are still in the altcoin season, and what this mean is if 75% of all the top 50 coin perform better than Bitcoin, it's considered as the altcoin season. So a lot of altcoin right now are performing very good. So having them on your available coin in Cryptohopper, it's perfect. We're still making a good profit. And as we can see right here in the last 90 days, so we have Bitcoin right here at the bottom of the list, and this is all the coin on the top 50 that have been performing better than a Bitcoin. So let me show you the chart very quickly for Bitcoin, how it's been performing for the last couple weeks. Let me change this so we can see. So if I put the chart, let's say on the 1 hour, we can see we are currently on a downtrend since May 12th. So why I say this, it's when we have my 2 EMA right here. So I have the EMA 20 and EMA 50. So when the green EMA go below the orange EMA, it means that the price right now it's going on a downtrend for the short term, and on the long term it will be my EMA 200. So every time the price go below the EMA 200, it means that we are currently on a downtrend. So this is happening on the shorter period since May 12th. And if we look on the daily right here, as we can see, we've been in an uptrend for quite a long time, and right now my 2 EMA cross over right here, so that was May 12, and also the current price of Bitcoin, it's below the EMA 200, which indicate we're currently on a downtrend. It doesn't mean we are currently on a bear market. We're still in a bull market, but we're knocking at the door of the bear market. So right now we are below the EMA 200, and the last time this happened, it was right here in March 2020. So since then, Bitcoin has been above the EMA 200. So that's why at this point, we need to wait to see what's going on with Bitcoin. So what we're looking for is to have the price closing above the $42,000, which would be right here. So if we look on the 4-hour chart, 42,000 would be right here. So we need to see the price closing above the 42,000. Hopefully from there it could recover and keep going up, but at this point we are going down for the last couple weeks. So that's why Cryptohopper has not been performing maybe well for you for the last 10 days or so. This is exactly the reason why. So a number to remember, if I could put back my drawing right here, $42,200. This is the level that Bitcoin need to go above and stay above. All right, so let's go back to the Cryptohopper dashboard. So this is my MACD configuration. As you can see, I don't have any open trade right now. I did play with some of the setting in the last 2 weeks, in the last couple days, to see if I could trigger any kind of buy and sell and try to make a little bit of profit. But it's very difficult in this kind of market right now. I'm still up, so if I calculate the average of the MACD strategy that I've been showing you for the last few months, this strategy is currently averaging between 0.7 and 0.8% profit daily, which is very good. So let's go back to the configuration in the setting, and then I'll show you the change I did to the strategy. So if we go to the config, this part here, nothing has been changed. Maybe for a cooldown, I always add a cooldown now for about 30 minutes. So it's just telling you that the Cryptohopper, if it buy a coin and then it get a very high profit within half an hour, well, I don't want Cryptohopper to buy it again, just in case that not long after it decide to go down. Coin and amount. This part I do get a lot of questions. Which coin should I use and which pair should I use? So depending on the exchange you are currently using, myself right now I'm using the Binance for the MACD. So if you look at your base currency, this is all the base currency I can use with the Binance. So what you have to select is the USDT. If you're using another platform, it might be just USD, but you have to properly select a stable coin right here. And when it's done, all the coin available on your exchange, they will show up right here. Now, which coin you should use? What I always recommend, if we go back here on the coinmarketcap.com, I would tell you to try to stay within probably 80 or 60 on the top right here. So that would be the top 80 right here and up to number 1. So anywhere in there, you should be fine. We are still in a altcoin season, so which is okay. When the altcoin season will be over, I will probably stay only in the top 5 coin. That's it. I don't think I'll go any below, and then again I'll see at that time, but that's probably what I will do. But right now we can go anywhere in the top 80 and there should be quite good profit to be made. So this is for the coin. So this section, you decide what you want to do depending how much you want to use per trade. Try not to go too low or too high. Try to find a number in the middle, but that's really up to you. strategies. So this is the strategy you're using. I'm currently using the MACD 2452. That's the name I give it when I created a couple months ago. Trailing stock buy, it's enabled, so right now it's at 0.3%. So when it try to buy a position, it will see if the coin can drop, and if it drop, it will wait until it go back up by 0.3% before locking the position. Sell setting, take profit at, I don't use this part right here at all. So I could put $600, I could put like 600%. I don't care. I don't want to use this section because I'm already using the trailing stop loss for my profit, and I'm also using the strategy to sell. So right here, I really don't care what it is. That's why I put it at 60%. If it happened that the price or there's a candle that wick up to 60%, okay, that's fine. But I don't want to use this section right here. Sell strategy. So this is enable. So sell based on a strategy for the new configuration that I'm about to show you. Stop loss, it's currently at 15%. My trailing stop loss, okay, now this will change. It depends when you're currently watching this video. So if you're watching the video a couple days after that I publish it, while having this number quite low, it's probably a good idea. Why? Because the market is on a downtrend right now. So your chance of making high profit are very slim. So by using a lower percentage, as soon that you enter a position, Cryptohopper will wait until the profit get up to 1.9%, and from there it will lock in the profit 0.5% below the maximum. Normally I would put this number a lot higher, like maybe 5, 6, 8, 10, 12%, but right now, because we are currently on a downtrend, I prefer to put this number lower. So at least if Cryptohopper open a trade, well, I have a very good chance to make at least a small profit out of it. And all the other three, I don't use them. So auto close, shorting, and dollar cost averaging, I don't use it. Now for the template, for the strategy. So if we go to my strategy, which is the MACD 2452. All right, so there we go. So 3 indicator, here's what changed. So the first thing, the MACD, it changed a little bit. So it's still 30-minute buy necessary signal, but the number are currently 12, 26, and 14. Keep signal 4, I put it at 3 candle right here. Click close. Next one, we need to add this one. So before there was EMA, so we need to remove the EMA by clicking the X right here beside your EMA, and we'll be adding the Mesa adapting moving averages. It's basically the same thing, except the Mesa give us a constant buy and sell signal. So I'll show you. So all we have to do is to indicator, type MESA, we select it, make sure it's buy, necessary signal, change this to 30-minute, do not keep signal. And then the last one, so like I said, this selling strategies or this selling indicator, you can use it on any of my 3 strategies. I try it and it does work. So all you have to do, indicator, and then RSI, and you need to use this one, RSI with region crossover. When it's selected, 30-minute, sell, necessary, and then the only number we change, it would be right here at 64. Signal in and do not keep signal. Make sure you save and make sure everything is under 30-minute. So there you go. So that's the strategy. So let me show you how it works. So let's say this is the BNB chart on 30 minutes. I have to make sure it's on the 30 minutes. So let me show you an example when the market is on the uptrend, and then after I'll show you an example when the market is on a downtrend, like right now. So the condition, there's two. We have to make sure that the MACD crossover for buy signal, and also we have to make sure the Mesa adaptive moving averages is on a uptrend, same thing as the EMA. So this is my EMA. So yellow line on top, it means it's an uptrend. Red line on top, it means it's on a downtrend. So I'm looking to enter position anywhere in here, because let's say if it's on a downtrend and the RSI crossover for buy signal, well, it won't happen because right here it's on a downtrend. So if I look right here for crossover, I have one right here. I'm in a uptrend, and once the position is open, it will close using the RSI. RSI is right here at the bottom. Right here, the white line is my 65. So in the strategy, we sell at 64 actually when it goes cross. So this is my 64 line. So I have a crossover right here on MACD. So it would buy, and then it would sell when it crosses below the 64 right here. So let's see what kind of profit it would be. So it cross up right here, and it sell when it go below the 64. So it would be right here. So that's a 3.3% about profit. So that's one. So let's look for another crossover. There's another one here, a couple hours after. So let's see this one. Crossover right here, and then it sell when the RSI go below 64, which would be probably around here. So that's another 5%, and we keep going, and we can't keep going like this. So there's another one right here. So we could do let's do this one last time. So cross right here, and RSI go back at below 64 right here. So this one would be about 2%. So that's for an uptrend. So now let's go when the market is on a downtrend like we currently have in the last 2 weeks. So let me go here. All right, so this is right now. So as we can see, BNB has been going down for almost 2 weeks. So let's say what would happen. So we have a downtrend right here. Red line is on top, so it's no good. Right here it goes over. So yellow line would be an uptrend, but my MACD is not crossing up, just crossing down. So that's not good. So it's keep going down. Right here I have a small uptrend, but my MACD doesn't cross at all. So it's downtrend, 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 and right here I have a crossover for an uptrend. Very slim, but it's still there. And I would have one crossover actually right here. So probably that one would be negative right now. So let's see if it cross over right here. That would be, no, actually that would be a 3.78% uptrend. So the trailing stop loss would kicked in, because remember my trailing stop loss right now is at 2%. So the price would go up to 3.78% and then sell when it go below 0.5%. So I would still be at 3% right here. But that's why I'm telling you, since we are in a downtrend, it's very, very important to have your trailing stop loss very low. this is a very good example. Otherwise, the price would just go down, and that would represent a, let's see, that would be 18% downtrend. So this is a very good example to have your trailing stop loss very low. Now the question I get very often, which of the three strategy is the best one? Honestly, all of them work pretty good. If I would have to choose, I would probably say that the MACD and my EMA are working pretty good. The result average between 0.7 to 0.9% ish daily, which is very good. That's almost a 25% per month. And my Bollinger Band, it's probably not far behind. It's pretty close also. Bollinger Band, I'll work on it probably maybe on the next video. I'm pretty sure I can make it a little bit better, but that would be my answer. They all work very good, all of them. Try it, see which one you prefer, but my choice so far, I'll see how it perform in the next couple of weeks with the market we're currently in. But as you know, their bot are not really taking any trade right now because the way the market is behaving. So if you did like this video, guys, all I'm asking in return is just a like on this video. I'm not asking anything else in return. So I hope you did like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my future video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope I'll see you very soon in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.